Hi everyone. The instructions for today are you are going to be finishing up your research and turning it in. It is due today, Tuesday, 11/3/2020. So, where you're going to find where to turn in your research is going to be under the module November 2nd through November 6th. If you go down to Tuesday, it is the research collection document. So you're going to upload it there. Remember, it is for a test grade. Okay, and the rubric is on there so you know exactly what I'm going to be grading on ahead of time. I would encourage you to double check that and make sure you're happy with it. Make sure you're getting enough information on there to fill paragraphs worth of information. Okay, some of you are not getting all of that in there, so make sure you're getting enough information. Once you've turned in your research collection document, or if you finish it up before the end of the hour today, you should be using that time to get caught up on any missing assignments. The most important ones that need to be done first before anything else would be the brainstorming research project topics, the research questions and keywords. Those are both under October 20th through October 23rd. Okay, the brainstorming is under Tuesday and Wednesday, and the research questions and keywords is under Thursday. The other big thing you need to do, if you have not completed your reading strategy summative assessment, remember there are 2 parts to it. Those are under October 12th through October 16th. Thursday and Friday both have those parts of the assessment. You need to do both parts and get those turned in as soon as possible. So today you're going to be finishing up and turning in your research collection document. That's due by the end of the day today. Then you are going to work on any missing assignments, including those ones I talked about. If you need help with your research, there's a video here that goes through that research document. You've got your MLA citation video here if you need help with that. Your MLA citation website and the library databases. You also can use anything on Mrs. Williams' library resource list. Email me if you have questions and have a good day.